Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Happy Valentine's Day. We wish you lots of love today and the other days as well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to grow a lemon tree from the seed. The reason I'm making this video today is that in Turkish Anatolian land, there is a legend that if you grow a lemon tree from the seed and you serve your loved one or your man the lemon juice, you can add to their tea or to their drink, or you can make lemonade, then that loved one would never leave you and they're gonna be just with you, and they wouldn't be able to go for a far distance from you. So I hope my husband loves me, but in any case, I'm gonna make sure that he would never ever leave me. So I'm gonna serve him a lemonade. So I'm gonna serve him a lemonade from the lemon tree that I'm growing myself. So I'm gonna first of all share with you what do we need for this. First, we need one lemon. These are the lemon seeds that I have prepared ahead. Then we need one plastic bag and one paper towel. So when you cut the lemon in a half and you have taken the seeds out, you are gonna have this type of seed, all right? So once you have this seed, it's gonna be a little bit wet, so you need to dry it out. For now, I have the dry seed in my hands. Please do not use any additional fork or a knife for it, because it will hurt the seed. So I'm gonna peel off the skin, all right? Gently and carefully. It's actually easy. Just I want to make sure that the skin wouldn't peel off the seed. So it looks like this, all right? When you are using the seed already peeled off the skin, please make sure that you choose the fat ones, all right? Fat ones, because these are gonna give you better results. Guys, please also make sure that you put the seed. Do you see this part? The edgy part, it's gonna be like this, facing this way, all right? And then we fold the paper towel, and then we take water and we spray on it. Once you have sprayed the paper towel, we fold it one time like this. Then we pick it up and we fold one more time. Just do not water much, because we need to have water here, but we don't want the whole, waterfall going on in here. Then we take the plastic bag and then we blow it. We need some air there. That is the reason we did it. Then we take the paper towel with the seed and we make sure that we've placed it correctly and gently. Then we just close the plastic bag. Guys, if you do not have plastic bag with a zipper, then you can use any type of plastic bag that you have. Just make sure that you have closed so the air would not be going in, all right? Then we take this plastic bag and we put it in a dark drawer where we will have room temperature, all right? It's not supposed to be in a very hot place, so that is the reason. Then we will forget about this plastic bag for about 14 days. After 14 days, guys, you take the plastic bag And if you face it to the sun like this, you are gonna see roots from the seed, all right? Once you see the roots, it means it's ready for us to put in a soil. Guys, if you do not see any root after 2 weeks, it's all right. There is no problem. It just means your lemon seed needs more time to grow the root. So you just wait for another week maybe, and then you will start seeing the difference between them. So guys, after 2 weeks, once we have the seed with the roots, we are ready to plant it, all right? We take flower pot, any type of flower pot that you have available. I have this one. We've got soil here. We put our finger here, this much, all right, this much. Then we place our seed with the root facing downwards, and then we close the soil. Once we've closed the soil, we gently spray water on top of it. Guys, when you water by spraying here, please do not put much of it. We just want it to be having the water a little bit, but we do not want a lake right here, all right? Just keep that in mind. Then I have prepared already what we are gonna do after we've planted rooted seed. We close the top with the stretch folio. So any kind of plastic bag, if you don't have any folio, that's also all right. You just make sure that it will not have any air, all right? That is it. Approximately after 2 weeks or so, you will have lemon like this. This is just the beginning, guys. So if you see something like this, do not think that this is scary. It's all right. It's small, tiny, but it's very sweet, and it's gonna give you lemons soon. So once the lemon is in this size, please make sure that you put the pot on a place where it can see the sun. Or you can put in a balcony where the sun will be seeing the lemon, all right? This is important for the lemon to have the sun while growing. I wanted to show you the lemon that I've planted 3 months ago. So just this is the beginning process, but I'm gonna show you the one that I've planted already, and it is a lot bigger than this. So let's get out to the balcony and see what I have. So guys, this is the lemon tree that I have. It has 13 leaves, and now it's giving me some more leaves, but they are so small that I'm not even counting them. So the reason I have planted this lemon tree in this big pot is I'm not planning to change the pot. So if you guys need to change the lemon tree from one place to another, make sure that your lemon is the size of your knee, the height of your knee. That is very important because lemon has long roots, strong roots, and if they're affected, it will not grow. That I hope you guys like my lemon. So guys, I hope this legend, Anatolian legend, it's actually a spell, how to put a spell with the help of the lemon. So I hope it's gonna work out for you, and I'm gonna make sure that it's gonna work out for me too. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any comments, please you can write us in the comments. If you like our video, please don't forget to click the like button. If you like our video and want to be notified, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to. Wishing you to have very nice Valentine's Day. Goodbye.